皆さんおはようございます。スティーブ的視点のスティーブです。サニトラ Z 箱スカ日産が多い。ほらアウディが出てきた。それとあれフォードなのかな、何の車両なのかな、でこの2人は誰なのかな、気になるでしょうですね。自分はやっぱり忙しい中でやっぱり一人でどんなにやりたくても人に手伝ってもらわなきゃいけないところも出てきますよね。ありますね。それででもね、自分がねちょっとバタバタしながらなかなか自分からは動けない時があるので来てもらうと、それの友達に勧められたこの LA モバイルメカニックのカルロスさんと息子親子で手伝いに来て、もらってます。紹介したいと思います。 Hello Carlos, how are you my friend?
Good, yourself?
Thank you man. This is Gael, your son, right?
Yes, my
Hello
son.
Gael, how are you?
Good, and yourself?
He's a Steve's POV DD fan right there. And his dad Carlos, you guys are LA Mobile Mechanic and I appreciate you coming out to help me. I really do. We started this thing up just now,
yes,
and it's misfiring, right?
Correct.
For sure.
Yes.
We're also a little concerned because I told you the other day I did a compression check, and even though I had pretty even compression through the back 3 cylinders, the front one seemed to leak out a little bit. It made me concerned that maybe we had a blown head gasket. So we're gonna do today. What are we gonna do?
We're gonna check if leak down test.
Do a leak down test,
yes,
right?
We confirm if it has a burn head gasket.
If we have a head gasket issue or not.
That's right.
And then either way, what we're gonna do after, and you're gonna help me, maybe not today, but we're gonna get this engine out of here because I want to clean it up. And then we want to, depending on what happens with the leak down test, we're gonna decide what we need to do to this engine.
Okay.
To either just clean it up or to
modify
it or fix it up.
That's right.
Or if there's some serious problem inside, who knows, maybe replace it.
That's correct.
That's a whole nother thing. So we need to see, but I think the first step to figure all that out, the leak down test.
That's correct.
Let's keep our fingers crossed. It's nothing too bad, right, Carlos?
Correct.
So you pull out the plugs. That's number 3. It's
yes, you can see it's wet.
Oil, or it's very wet looking, isn't it?
Yes. This is number 4. This is number 3.
Okay.
Both come out wet.
Is number 4 the front? Are you counting number 4 from the front?
1, 2, 3.
Okay, so this is the back.
Yeah. And you can see this is kind of, but it's not wet.
Very dry, right?
This is number 1.
Yeah.
Okay, so my concern is the last 2.
The last 2. Okay, my concern was the front.
Yeah.
Was the front one. So okay, all right.
When you open your body, you know, like to find out how the people die.
Sure.
That's how you find out
the inspection of what's going on. Carlos, you make an interesting example right now. I always say this. I think the human body and the engine is very similar, correct?
Yes, that's correct.
You put good gasoline inside the engine, high octane, good gasoline, it runs very strong.
Yes.
You eat good food, you perform very good, right?
That's right.
You let the engine rest and recover. We sleep at night.
That's
right?
correct.
And then the blood oil is the blood.
Yes.
Right? And the gasoline is the food. I always think about that.
Yeah, and that's how you figure out first you gotta take the spark plug.
Yeah.
You can see which cylinder is misfiring
And the exhaust system, we know what that is. 今からシリンダーの方をエンジンを少し回転してシリンダーの方に空気を入れてその空気が抜けてくるかどうかっていうテストです。後ろから2つ目。俺がねちょっと疑いあるのは一番手前のやつだったんだけど彼はちょっと違う方を今、チェック中です。So now you've added pressure into the cylinder.
Yes.
You were tapping the engine to what, to get it at top, to get it at that cylinder at the valves to close?
Yes, to seal the valves and make the piston lock. So that's
top dead center on that cylinder.
Yes, I'm just to lock the piston to not go down.
To not sink. So it's at the highest point in that top dead center, correct?
Not really.
Not really TDC?
No, like on the middle.
Okay. At a point where it won't go back down.
Yes, but with to hold the pressure.
To hold the maximum pressure.
Yes.
So now you've added how much pressure to the cylinder?
Now it's 30 pounds.
Yes.
PSI actually.
30 PSI.
Yes, and this one, this is measuring inside the piston.
Understood.
This is for the compressor.
Understood. So basically in the cylinder right now you have 30 PS, you have almost 40 30 psi.
That's correct.
And you're going to wait and see now if that leaks down. Is that correct?
Yes, if it's coolant goes up.
Understood. Oh, this is going to tell you here if it's leaking through the head gasket. It's going to push the coolant up and over this.
Yes.
Ah, understood.
Pressure, yeah.
Will you see a drop here as well on the gauge of pressure?
No, it's holding it so far.
So far. If it had a leak or a bad one, you would start seeing it already.
That's right.
Oh yeah, you have the overflow, right?
Yeah, it's going up. You can see.
It is coming up.
Yep.
じゃあ空気を入れて、で今確認しようとしているのはお水がこうラジエーターから上がってくるのかどうかということですよね。でちょっとこれ数分こう見てるところあんまり上がってきてないので、そのシリンダーのヘッドガスケットの方は大丈夫なんじゃないのかなっていう感じです。Seems okay, Carlos, this one?
This one looks okay.
And we're calling the cylinder number 2 or number 3?
Number 3.
We're calling it number 3. Which one are you going to check next?
We'll do the number 4.
Go to number 4. Got it. 今ね、前から3つ目。今度はその一番奥にあるやつものスパークプラグの状況あんまりよろしくなかったので、それも確認しよう、としています。Alright, Carlos, so the number 4 right now looks okay too, right?
Yeah.
Alright, perfect. So we're going to move forward now. Are you going to do, which one are you going to go to? You're going to go to the one that I told you I thought was maybe an issue?
Yeah.
All right. We'll see if I have any inclination or any ability anymore to diagnose anything. I wasn't certain diagnosis, but I thought maybe something might be up with that. So let's see what Carlos finds out right now. ね、一番自分はね、疑ってた3項目と4項目の方は4つ目のやつは問題以上はない。なんだけど、1項目の方のテスト中です。He's adding air into the cylinder now through his compressor in his truck, which is the left gauge. The right gauge is the pressure that's going into the cylinder. And essentially, if he gets it to hold there, we will see right now, he's firing up his compressor again, get a little more pressure. In the meantime, then we'll see if that cylinder holds that pressure. More than anything, what he's looking for is if it had a really bad head gasket leak, we'd start seeing bubbling and water kind of pushing up through there, particularly probably air bubbling coming up through the radiator, which he has topped off. And right now we don't see it, but we will find out. Is it letting some pressure out slowly, right?
Yes, it looks like it's dropping the gauge.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But it's not bringing water out, so...
That means it's not the head gasket.
Not a head gasket. That would lead us to a potential valve problem. Maybe a valve issue. So... Next step, and that's, well, you're going to still test number 2, we'll see. But then the next step would be to take the valve cover off and see what's up with that valve.
That's correct.
And I'd try to adjust it. Step by step, I like how this guy works. He's very thorough and works well on thinking through stuff. That's great. I learned from that too, get motivated from that kind of stuff. とりあえず1個目のシリンダーやっぱり思った通りですね、少し問題があるようです。ただヘッドガスケットよりももしかしたらバルブの問題なのかな。ラジエーターからお水が上がってこなかったんで空気が上がってこなかったためでもねプレッシャーが抜けているのでおそらくバルブの問題なのかな。それで調整できればいいんですけどそうじゃなければもっと、大きな問題かもしれないですね。Okay, number 2 looks like it's holding pressure right now.
That's correct. It's maintaining the 30 psi.
Carlos put 30 psi in there. It seems to be holding that one. So,
And we don't see anything going up too.
And nothing coming up through the radiator either. So head gasket all around from the. It looks like we're okay, right? Head gasket wise.
Yes.
We have a concern on cylinder number 1 with the valve, with one of the valves potentially, the exhaust valve potentially. So, well, one of the valves. Could be intake too, or would it be exhaust normally?
Could be intake too.
Could be either of the 2 valves. So
holding the pressure. If it's any other valve, it's not closing. It will escape any pressure.
That's where we're at. というわけで、今からやっぱり1個目のシリンダーがやっぱり思った通り少しなんかあるんじゃないのかなということで、これから、検査というか進めてみます。Okay, so at least we came up with a bit of a plan here. The plan is, since anyway the engine is coming out of the car, that's going to be next. Whether we do that here, whether we get the German auto specialists involved, we want to try to get the engine out of here as fast and as quickly as we can. Then we also identify for the most part that the head gasket we are pretty sure it does not have any issues. However, that cylinder number 1, the first cylinder, may have some kind of exhaust valve. It does seem to be leaking out some pressure when we pressurize the cylinder. So there may be an issue up there. We also pulled the cap off and that thing is just terribly old and bad, which is probably one reason why it's not firing good, why there's a lot of spent gas in there, and definitely needs to be tuned up. So in the meantime, that's all what we figured out today. At least we have a little bit of some guidance. Carlos, it's been great to have him out here. His company, LA Mobile Mechanic. You guys got to check him out. His son here, who's learning. He's 13. He's learning the business with his dad. I love it. It's just awesome father-son stuff right here. We're going to button this back up right now, and then we're going to try to get Gino involved. It's German. All we need is lift, man. I got to get it in there, pull this engine out. And then if we need a machine shop, Carlos has some connections in that world and everything else. So we're going to get this thing together, and we have Taka, of course, for the carburetors. So step by step, a little bit every day, 少しずつ前向きに、日々前進という感じですね。いつもこういう感じです。Guys, check out LA Mobile Mechanic, Carlos, Nissan Gael, super nice people, great communication, here on time, and certainly going to be involved with some other projects going forward for me in the future.